Did you know there is a university in the USA that lets international students study without paying a single dollar from application to graduation? Discover a prestigious US university where international students receive complete tuition coverage, free housing, fully paid fees, and access to on-campus jobs. This opportunity allows you to apply at no cost while securing a fully funded degree in the United States. Welcome back, my lovely friends, and thank you for always clicking that play button whenever I share a new video. If you are new here, thank you for dropping by. I love you. In this video, you will learn the eligibility requirements, the selection criteria, and the full step-by-step application process for this fully funded opportunity. Stay with me because this could be the chance that changes everything for you. So come along with me. We are on the official website of Berea College, the college that you do not require paying any tuition fee. It says, from the very beginning, Berea College was founded to be accessible to people who otherwise could not afford a college education. As the first interracial and co-educational college in the South, Berea was open to all people in the region regardless of race, gender, or ability to pay. No Berea student has paid tuition since 1892. I'll repeat that. No Berea student has paid tuition since 1892. Isn't that fantastic? Learn how Berea College has provided a tuition-free education for more than a century. So you can see no tuition, no kidding, $0. The amount every student pays in tuition is $0. In addition, the college covers as much housing, meals, and fees. So it covers your housing, it covers your food, and it covers your fees. See, 81% of Berea's fall 2025 class attend at zero cost. So the class that's currently going on 2025 section, they do not pay, or they didn't pay any fee at all. Now they also cover the cost of the tuition, your housing, your food, and fees. It just can't get better than this. So that's why I'm bringing you this beautiful opportunity so that you can apply as soon as possible. And as an international student, you are not exempted. International students, important dates. So the application deadline is December 15th. There will be a decision notification by mid-March 2026, and the deposit due will be May 1st, 2026. Now, this deposit is not a fee, all right? It's just something that they will keep aside for you in case of any emergency, and if there isn't, you would get it back eventually. Okay, so you've got till December 15th to apply, so I think you should hurry and apply before the deadline. Now this is the international applicant info and FAQs, right? So you make sure you go through this. You can apply for free online. Complete the Berea College application for admission for international students. There is no application fee as well. Isn't that beautiful? No application fee, no tuition fee. The application opened August 1st and we're in November now. I just saw that and I've actually shared this video, this university with you, I think sometime like a couple of months back. And now I'm bringing it to you again. I just bumped into it lately, so I thought I should bring it to you. So you just have a short period to apply. So you would apply online. If you click on the apply now button, we'll get back there shortly. Now you have to submit a personal essay, okay? Now it should be 2 to 5 pages, as this essay must be used to assist in course placement. Students should receive no assistance in writing or editing the essay. The essay should address the following points. Number 1, an overview of your educational and life experiences should be included in that essay. Number 2, what you plan to do after completing your education at Berea. Number 3, why do you wish to return or not return to your home country? And number 4, description of ways you have positively impacted your community. These are of paramount importance that you address every point because it will give you an edge. It says the essay may be uploaded to your application portal once you have submitted the online application above. You also require your copy of official secondary school records, A-level, O-level, and HD results or West African examination results. And my beautiful audience is a lot of you from Africa where you use this, so you can also provide that as well. And that could also be used in place of your standardized tests like IELTS, TOEFL, or GRE. You need a teacher recommendation from your teacher or from your high school, okay? Financial resource recommendation form, okay? Official test scores, like I said. If you do not have that and you're from an English speaking country, your WAEC will act as that, like you could use that in place of it. International financial questionnaire, then additional information you can go through. Now I want you to see this because this is important. The Worldwide Wednesdays, this is available for international students. Join us for our virtual Worldwide Wednesdays. This is for students to get to know more about Berea College and the application process, and it's going to be completely or totally done online. Then they have days, a specific Wednesday. They've got the one for November 5th, which we missed. So the next one will be December 3rd, Wednesday, December 3rd, 2025. So make sure you check what this is around your time zone, Eastern time zone, 2:30 to 4 p.m. Make sure you see what the time zone in your particular location so that you can attend it. It's of paramount importance that you do, because you get to ask them all the questions that you need in order to get yourself equipped before applying for this university. Now they have FAQs. When is the application deadline? See, if you click on that, you can see. Make sure you just click on all those drop down arrow and go through all the FAQs, as this will also make you understand, and it entails everything that you require for Berea. I already earned a bachelor's degree. Can I apply to Berea? Let's say that one. Unfortunately, we're unable to admit students who have previously earned a bachelor's degree, and we do not offer any master's program. So this is a bachelor's degree. Now, if you have earned a bachelor's degree from Berea previously, unfortunately, like you see here, you cannot apply, and they only offer bachelor's program, not master's program. Back to the home page, let's go through their programs. Now, you can just click on this drop down arrow in academics. They've got department and programs, so we'll click on that. And so we are on the official page for their programs. There are various departments and programs. So you see explore Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Science degrees in 33 fields. So that's quite a lot. So you go through all of them: African and African American studies, right? Any of them that it's your preferred program or course. Biology, you can click on it and it will lead you to the application steps. English, it's quite a lot of them. Mathematics, music, philosophy, studies of religion and spirituality, right? So you just go through them. They're quite a lot. Then let's just see. I'll just see English. Let's click on it and see how. All right, so when you go here, now the page gives you every information that you require for this course. So you see, and you can contact them. All right, so when you open, it can also show you how to apply. To your right, you see this navigations here. You can faculty and staff. You can click on that to see the faculty and staff for that course so that you can get yourself acquainted. Now see, these are the professors that are taking this course, English. So apply now. You can see that there is welcome to our online application. We're pleased that you are considering Berea College returning users. If you already have an account, an application account, please log in. First time users, which I believe we do not have an account, please use your personal email and not a school issued email. Please be aware that students applying with an iCloud email address are experiencing difficulties with the application process. We recommend using a different email provider. Just use an email, just a simple email address, one official one. So you create an account, okay? You just follow the process, right? We aren't going to do this, right? But I just want you to see. You enter your email address, your first name, your last name, your date of birth, and you continue. So that's simply how to navigate the process of applying to this university, and everything is done online. And after that, you follow the process and you can upload all the documents that's required of you. If you found value in this video, don't stop here. Watch the next video that will be displayed on your screen shortly to learn how you can study at a prestigious US university with no application fee and 100% scholarship for a graduate business program. Make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to get notified whenever a new scholarship drops. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok for more opportunities and updates from my latest YouTube videos. And if you get selected for the scholarship, please share your testimony. I absolutely love hearing them. Until next time, think big, think success.